I come today bearing good news. Are you feeling stuck where you are? Or you want to make extra income? Or you feel like you're living paycheck to paycheck? Or you're simply looking for a side hustle? I got you, because in this video, I'll be telling you the three amazing side hustles that you can do from the comfort of your home at your own time, and guess what? Make extra income. Remember, in this 2025, we leave no money on the table. Let's dive right in. Number one on the side hustles that can make you an extra income is tutoring. There are so many things to tutor online, whether it's academically, language, musically, or even tech based. Let me break it down. So let me start with the language based. There are so many countries who do not understand English language. So many people who wants to learn English. And do you speak English fluently? This is the right side hustle for you. If you want to tutor academically, if you're good at subjects like maths, chemistry, physics, biology, you can teach local and international students and make money online. Are you looking for where to sign up? Go to Preply, create an account, choose the subjects that you can teach, set your prices, and bonus advice, set your prices not to be too high. Then the next one under tutoring side hustle is music lessons. Do you know how to play any instruments? Be it the guitar, piano, drums, whatever instrument that you know how to do very well and that you can teach it to someone else. This is the side hustle for you. So here is how to sign up. Go to Preply, Lesson Phase, or even Super Prof. Create your account, choose the instrument that you can teach, set your prices, and people will reach out to you to teach them how to use that musical instrument. Guess what? So many people want their kids to learn how to play the guitar, piano, or even drums, and that person can be you. And the next side hustle under tutoring is tech or creative skills. Do you have any tech skills or any creative skills like video editing, JavaScript, HTML? There are a lot more of them. If you're good with any of these tech skills or any of these creative skills, here's what you will do. You can create a course and sell it, or you can sign up on Teachable for one-on-one coaching, or you can do this on Super Prof. There are so many platforms that you can sign up, create a profile, and start making money. Trust me, tutoring is one of big side hustles that you can make money in 2025. The next side hustle that you can do in 2025 and make extra income is freelance writing. Do you know how to write? Do you like writing? This is the right side hustle for you. What are the things that you can write? You can write content for social medias, you can write blog posts, and you can also write cover letters and resumes, CVs. Let me tell you something, 50% of job applicants do not know how to write a good and compelling CVs that can convince their employers to give them that job. Just imagine that you can write a good and compelling CVs and cover letters. You will make a whole lot of money because so many people are looking for someone who will upgrade their CVs so that they can get the job that they're applying for. So if you can write blog posts, social media content, CVs, resume, cover letters, this is the right side hustle for you. And guess what? You don't need to do all. You can decide to write blog posts, you can decide to write content for social media, and you can decide to write resumes, cover letters, or CVs. Either of these that you choose will make you a whole lot of money in 2025. And the third one on my list of side hustles that can make you money in 2025 is virtual assistant. So are you good with email management, scheduling, or customer support? Virtual assistant is the right side hustle for you. So here is where you can sign up. Go to People Per Hour, LinkedIn, or even on Upwork. Create your profile, set your prices, and start making that extra income. Remember, do not leave any money on the table in this 2025. So here you have it, three ways that you can make extra income in 2025. So which of these side hustles will you be trying out? Leave me a comment in the comment section if you'll be trying out any of them. And if you need the link to any of these platforms, leave me a comment and I'll send you the link. Till I see you next time, my name is Chioma. Bye.